All right, so we're gonna go over some of your daily knee stretches. This one requires no to minimal equipment. So you can either use a towel or a belt, yoga strap, something that's got minimal give and it's gonna help you with some of your stretches. This first one we're gonna do is just a quad stretch. So this can be done a number of ways. We're gonna try this method. So you're sitting on your butt, you're just gonna bring ankle back behind you and then try to lean backward. If that's too uncomfortable, we can try a standing method, where you're holding on to a squat rack or something, and then just try to bring that heel towards the butt. And if not feeling it super great, we can prop that ankle up on a bench or your couch. And then you're just gonna try to bring your knee down to the ground. Pushing the hips through, trying to stretch out those hip flexors and quad muscles. And reps and sets are gonna be in the slide deck, but each of these are gonna be held for 60 seconds, 1 to 2 sets on each leg. All right, the next one is a hamstring stretch. So this is where the towel or yoga strap come in handy. We're gonna lay down on your back, put your foot on a towel or the yoga strap, just like that. You're gonna try to keep your knee straight, no bend in the knee. And then we're just gonna pull back till you're feeling a good stretch back in your hamstrings. We're gonna hold that for, again, 60 seconds, 1 to 2 times on each leg, okay? Next one we're gonna do is called a pigeon stretch. So what that looks like is you're gonna kind of bend the knee just a little bit so it's kicked out in front of you like this. And then if you're able to, get low down to the ground. All right, so this is what it looks like on the side. Hold that for 60 seconds, 1 to 2 times on each leg. Next one is the kneeling hip flexor stretch. So you're gonna kick one leg out in front of you, the other one's bent behind you. And we're just gonna lean forward. That's gonna stretch out all this front of the leg. Try to sit up nice and tall. Hold for 60 seconds, 1 to 2 times on each side. And then lastly, we're gonna do a standing calf stretch. So this one, holding onto a wall or a bar, just gonna kick one leg back, toes pointed forward. We're gonna try to bring your hips forward, heel in contact with the ground. We're gonna hold that for 60 seconds, 1 to 2 times on each leg. All right, those are your daily stretches. Try to do them daily. I recommend doing them barefoot, just because you have so much musculature in the foot that needs to be stretched as well. And sometimes when we wear super soft shoes and cushion, which are great for being on your feet for a long time, we miss out on a lot of the good benefits of going barefoot. So I think in your slide deck, I noted that I want you to do your lower body days barefoot as best you can, just because we want to be able to activate your toes. So like squeezing your toes into the ground just like that, trying to lift the arch. Yep, just like that. That's gonna help strengthen the whole lower extremity and help put your knees back into good positioning. All right, we'll see you next time.